Mastering the phrase, leaning back in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, leaning back. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language. So let's explore the various contexts where this phrase can be used and what it means. Leaning back is a physical action. It describes the movement where someone moves their upper body backwards from a straight position. It can indicate a relaxed posture or sometimes a defensive or thoughtful stance. For example, he was leaning back in his chair, looking relaxed. Aside from its literal meaning, leaning back can also have a figurative sense. It can mean to withdraw or distance oneself from a situation or discussion. For instance, after the argument, she decided to lean back and reflect on what happened. In social and professional contexts, leaning back can have nuanced meanings. Socially, it might imply someone is disengaging from a conversation. Professionally, it could suggest stepping away from responsibilities or taking a less active role in a project. Body language is a powerful communicator. When someone is leaning back, they might be conveying that they are open to listening or need space to think. It's important to read the situation to understand the non-verbal cues. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, leaning back. Remember, whether it's used literally or figuratively, the context is key to understanding the meaning. Thank you for watching, and keep leaning into your English learning journey.